Toolbox Talk, working at height signage. As part of any fall protection plan required on site, a contractor must ensure all unprotected openings in floors, edges, slabs, hatchways, and stairways are adequately guarded, fenced, or barricaded to safeguard a person from falling through such opening. Signage forms an integral part of this requirement to make the workers aware of this hazard. Signage color meaning: red is for prohibition signage, blue, mandatory, green, informative general, yellow, warning signs. The design, erection, use, and inspection of access scaffolding. Certain requirements need to be met for symbolic safety signage when work at heights is performed. Signs must comply with the Code SANS 1186-1 and include the following. Safety signs shall be used to warn the public, shall either be attached to the entry point to the scaffolding or be placed at a prominent position.